Yeah, good morning students. This is the first part of parabola. In last two parts we discussed about conic section. We learned that a second degree standard equation x and y represent a conic on the coordinate plane. Among all conic sections, first one is circle, parabola, ellipse, hyperbola, pair of straight line. Pair of straight lines and circles concept already completed. So today I am going to start a conic section called parabola. Okay students, first of all write the notes for previous class. Okay, ax square plus 2hxy plus by square plus 2gx plus 2fi plus c equal to 0 represent a parabola under condition delta is not equal to 0 and h square equal to ab. Or some words you can say that e is equal to 1. In e is equal to 1 case also this will represent a parabola on coordinate plane. Students, today I will derive the locus equation of a parabola and in different forms and some basic definitions of a parabola. So first of all I want to write the definition of a parabola. Parabola is the locus equation of a point which is always equidistant from a fixed point and a fixed line. Important thing is the point should not be on the line. The point is not on the line. Point means the fixed point. Okay. So here this is fixed line. This is fixed point. So yes, this is fixed line directrix. And P is moving. What condition Anna? So distance from P to S is equal to distance from P to the line L. Such a manner the P is moving. So we want trace the path of point P, or we want to find the locus equation of point P now. Okay. Observe here. Okay. This is directrix. This is focus, this is P. Just we want trace the path of P under this condition. That gives graph of the parabola. Okay. Observe here. This distance should be equal to this distance. Do one thing. From S draw perpendicular on directrix. Distance from P to S equal to distance from P to directrix means the midpoint of this line segment will be one of the point P. See here, PS equal to distance from P to the directrix only. Means here and so on, the point will be moving like this. So this is the curve of parabola in one situation. Okay. So parabola is the locus equation of a point in which it is always equidistant from a fixed point and a fixed line. So that point is not on the line. That fixed point is not on the line. That is the meaning. Okay. So important thing, students, parabola, we want to find locus equation. We can find locus equation. Let this is taken as x dash comma y dash, this is taken as alpha comma beta, and this equation is taken as lx plus my plus n equal to 0. You can find locus equation. That's not a big problem. But important thing is, this is taken as last case of standard parabola. So alpha comma beta is focus, p is taken as x dash comma y dash, the directrix is taken as lx plus my plus n equal to 0. We can derive the locus equation. What we will get? That is treated as last form of standard parabola. Means what are the first forms of standard form of parabola? There are 4 standard forms of parabola. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is fifth one. Fifth standard form. Fifth standard position. Fifth standard situation. Okay. So first standard form of a parabola. That should have the form y square equal 4ax. Second standard form of parabola, y square equal minus 4ax. Third standard form of parabola, x square equal to 4ay. Fourth standard form of parabola, x square equal to minus 4ay. After this situation. In this way, the concept of parabola is explained. Understood? First of all, should know the first standard form of parabola, second standard form of parabola, third standard form of parabola, fourth standard form of parabola, last general form of a parabola. I can say general form of a parabola. So these are basic forms of parabola. First basic form, second basic form, third basic form, fourth basic form, general form of the parabola. So we'll discuss at last general form of parabola. In circle also, no? In circle also, x square plus y square equal to r square is said to be the basic form of a circle whose center is 0, 0 and radius is r. Means this is the position of the circle. After shifting origin 0, 0 to h, k, the transformed equation of the circular equation becomes x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square equal to r square only. So this is taken standard form. After simplifying, we get the equation of the form x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2f plus c equal 0. That is called general form. For all this is base, no? That's why for all these 4 are base for parabola. So for circle, only one basic form. But in parabola, we have 4 basic forms. By using these 4 basic forms only, you can derive general form of a parabola. Understood? So for circle, only one basic form. By using this basic form only, standard form is derived, general form is derived. So here, parabola is not only one basic form, 4 basic forms. By using these 4 basic form only, the parabola is developed. One by one I will explain. First standard form parabola, second standard form parabola, third standard form of parabola, fourth standard form parabola, and so on. Okay students, actually we have 4 basic forms of parabola. Parabola is singular word, parabole is plural. Okay, so first standard form. What is the meaning of that? For standard form means the focus is taken as a standard point, directrix taken as a standard line. Okay. For this, focus is taken as a comma 0 and directrix is taken as x plus a equal to 0, provided a greater than 0. If you take any parabola with the focus a comma 0 and directrix x plus a equal to 0, what you will get? That is taken as standard form of the parabola. First of all, I want to draw the rough sketch of this nana. So this is y-axis, this x-axis, this origin. So what is saying that your parabola, focus of the parabola is a comma 0 and a greater than 0 means somewhere here focus, say s is a comma 0, it is on positive x-axis, and directrix is x plus a equal to 0. X plus a equal to 0 is a line which is parallel to y-axis and a units from y-axis on the left hand side of the y-axis. Okay, important observation. This length is A. This is also A only. Means this is one of the point on the required locus. Okay, so this is the actual locus of parabola. This is the graph of actual parabola. Now I want to find its locus equation. Okay, so same process. Let P x comma y, x dash comma y dash be a variable point on the locus. After that I will generalize. The condition is this length equal to this. Say this is M. Okay. Let P x dash comma y dash be a point on required locus. Okay. What is condition, Anna? What algebraic condition? PS by PM equal to 1 or PS equal to PM. Okay. So what is PS, Nana? Distance from P to S. X dash minus A whole square plus y dash square equal to. PM is perpendicular distance. What is that, Nana? So the line is x plus A, no? That what I can say, x plus A mod by root over 1 square plus 0 square. So directly squaring x dash square plus A square minus 2x dash A plus y dash square equal to, so x dash square plus A square plus 2x dash A. Observe students, here x dash square cancel. A square cancel. So y dash square equal to minus 2x dash A, here 2x dash A. Transfer that side, so 4x dash A. Now I want to write locus equation. Therefore, locus equation of parabola under this condition with this focus directrix, that is y square equal to 4ax. So now onwards, y square equal to 4ax is treated as first standard form of a parabola whose focus is a comma 0, whose directrix is x plus a equal to 0, provided a greater than 0. Or you want to draw its rough sketch. So actually this is the rough sketch. Just we want to draw the rough sketch of y is equal to 4x. Just we want to draw like this. This directrix a comma 0. This is x plus a equal to 0. This is 0 comma 0. Okay, first standard form of a parabola completed. Its graph and locus equation. Y square equal to 4ax. This graph saying that this parabola opened right hand side. Open means its mouth opened right hand side. Okay, directrix is a unit from y axis, which is left hand side of the y axis. Focus is a comma 0, which is on positive x axis. This is about first standard form of a parabola. Now I want to define some important definitions regarding conic. Those definitions are also applicable for parabola also, because parabola is conic only. But I want to define some important definitions for a conic. Friends, listen. Important definitions for conic, or for a conic or conic, no problem. First one, axis. Okay, axis, the line passing through focus and perpendicular to directrix. Such line is called axis for any cone, for any conic. Axis means the line passing through focus and perpendicular to directrix. In our parabola, in first standard for parabola, y square equal to 4ax, no? First standard form. In this parabola, we want to identify what is the axis. The line should pass us through focus. Okay, this line is passing through focus and perpendicular to the directrix only. That's why this line is called, this line is taken as axis of this parabola. So what is this line on x-axis? X-axis taken as axis of this parabola. Y square equal to 4x. What is this equation? What is the equation of axis? Sorry, what is the equation of x-axis? Small y equal to 0. Small y equal to 0 is the axis of the parabola y square equal to 4x. Second one, vertex. Vertex is a point. Vertex is the point of intersection of conic with axis. Take any point on the conic, any conic, not only for para, any conic. We have several, no? For all conic, the point of intersection of conic and axis is called vertex. See here, this is axis, this is conic, so this is vertex.
Here the vertex is 0, 0. For this parabola, vertex is 0, 0. Third one, focal chord. So take any 2 points on the parabola, join them with triangle, that is called chord. Another chord. Some chords will pass as focus. Such chords are called focal chords. For any conic, focal chord, the chords of conic passing through focus. Okay, so next fourth one, double ordinate. Double ordinate. I will explain using this parabola. Okay, Rana? Take any chord which is perpendicular to the axis. Such chords are called double ordinates. Any chord or any conic. So I will write like that. The chord of conic which is perpendicular to axis. Okay. Why the name is given double ordinate? Double ordinate. For example, a point is taken as coordinate planes A comma B. A is called abscissa, B is called ordinate. Double ordinate. See, for this double ordinate, for example, this point is 2 comma 0. So this point is 2 comma something. This point also 2 comma something. Means at extremities of that line segment, their x coordinates are same, but y coordinates are different. Double ordinate. That's why the name is given for that line segment as double ordinate. The chord of a conic which is perpendicular to axis. Fifth one is important. Latus rectum. Latus rectum. So latus rectum was a special type of double ordinate. A special type of double ordinate. So the double ordinate which is passing through focus. In this diagram, this is the latus rectum. Okay. Generally, latus rectum denoted by L dash. One point on the conic is L, another end is L dash. Then L dash is taken as latus rectum. Okay, latus rectum. Okay, the double ordinate which is passing through focus. This is called double ordinate. This is called latus rectum. So this is latus rectum. Okay, students, sixth one. Foot of the directrix. Foot of the directrix. Foot of the directrix. This point is called foot of the directrix. Point of intersection of axis and directrix is called foot of the directrix. The point of intersection of axis and directrix. So a question is given like this. Find R for first standard form of parabola. Yeah, find R. What is the meaning? That is important. Find R means what? Find R is what is vertex, what is axis, what is lattice rectum, what is the equation of lattice rectum, what is the length of lattice rectum. Everything should find. Okay, observe here. First of all, I want to draw the rough sketch of a standard parabola. That is y square equal to 4ax. So, just observe all of you. This is parabola. This is directrix. For the name, this is x plus a equal to 0. Focus here. A comma 0. Yes. Okay. Now, question is we need to write R. One by one I will write. First one. Equation. Means its equation. Y square equal to 4ax. Provided a greater than 0. Second one. Focus. Why I am writing focus for remaining standard forms? Focus will vary not only a comma 0. Focus. A comma 0. Third one. Vertex. Axis should write actually. Axis. This line. What is the definition of axis now? The line passing through origin and perpendicular directrix. X-axis. Or more generally write y equal to 0. Fourth one is vertex. The point of intersection of conic and axis. In this, for this y square equal to 4x, it is 0 comma 0. Fifth one. Equation of lattice rectum. Important. Equation of lattice rectum. Fifth is important. Observe all of you. Yeah, this is lattice rectum. The double ordinate passing through focus. Equation. So, perpendicular. These two are parallel. Already these two are parallel. Means, directrix and lattice rectum are parallel. This is x plus a equal to 0. This is also x plus k equal to 0 form. So, I will write here. X plus k equal to 0. This is the equation of lattice rectum. Now, we need to find k. So, this equation is passing through a comma 0. Substitute instead of x, a plus k equal to 0. So what is k value now? Minus a. Substitute here. So what do you get? X minus a equal to 0. This is the equation of lattice rectum. Equation of lattice rectum, I can say that x equal to a or x minus a equal to 0. Important for basic parabola or first standard form of parabola for y square equal to 4x, x plus a equal to 0 become directrix. Equation of directrix and x minus a equal to 0 become equation of lattice rectum. Okay. For second standard form, they will reverse. This become the equation of the directrix and this become the equation of the lattice rectum. So, sixth one is length of the lattice rectum. Length of lattice rectum. Length means this length. Actually, LL dash. LL dash I want. One important note, students. Observe here, for especially for y square equal to 4x, for this x, corresponding y is here and here. means for y square equal to 4x is symmetrical about the line x equal to x-axis. Means first standard form parabola is symmetrical about x-axis or small y equal to 3. That is also important note. That should be noted. Okay, but I want LL dash. This total length I want. Now I explain this line of symmetry. Means LL dash nothing but 2 times of LS. 2 times of LS I can write. Now I want find the length of LS. Now I want to use the definition of conic. Especially definition of parabola. Every point on this parabola is equidistant from focus as well as from the line. So this length equal to this. I want LS. Better to find this LM. Okay, I will write 2LM. LM is this. So already this is A. This is A. 2A. So this is equal to 2 times of 2A. That is equal to 4A. So length of lattice rectum L dash equal to 4A. After completion of all remaining 3, for them also length of lattice rectum is 4A only. Okay. Friends, next one. Extremities of lattice rectum. Means you want to find the coordinates of L and L dash. End points of lattice rectum. Lattice rectum. Observe here. Vertical line. Focus is A comma 0. Every point on this line should have the form A comma something. So this is also A comma something. This is also A comma something. That something should find. Okay. To find that something, we need to substitute x equal to A in the equation of the parabola. That is y square equal to 4ax. So instead of x I want to write A, y square equal to 4a square. Means y equal to plus or minus 2a. Now I can say that L is nothing but A comma 2A, which is in first quadrant because already A is provided greater than 0. L dash equal to what I have done? A comma minus 2.